Hi, this is the first log of our Unity tank game. We're a three-man team and we're making just a fun game with tanks. It's nothing really serious and we're not really looking to do anything big with it. It's just for fun really. So this is the first thing that I've made. I made all of this in Blender and I've taken inspiration from some tanks including the T-44 with drive base like this. I like the panther thing is at the end. This turret, I can't remember what it's from. It's like, can't remember. I think it's like one of the prototype turrets for the XM1, American heavy tank prototype. And this front, I don't know what it's for. It just looks good, I think. And yeah, and that bit here that goes over the tracks, that's like a panther feature. But so right now we have turret rotation. It's not programmed in, but I have the pivot point in, so that's going to be really easy. So it revolves, and the pivot is custom. So the turret rotates in a natural way that reflects how regular tanks turn. Instead of having it like say in center pivot, it would not be like that, or even from the center here, that's not natural either. And we also have pivot, we have gun elevation and depression. That works at any point of the turret's rotation. So if the turret's pointed this way, the elevation is still normal. So that's, and the mantlet's still supposed to rotate with it if you thought that was a fault, because that's a feature on many tanks, except for some of them have fabric hiding the mantlet just to make it so that water doesn't seep into the openings and damage the tank. And the most, in my opinion, the most awesome feature is sorry if I can find it, this. So what we have here is a it's a mesh that, so the track mesh is affected by the armatures of the wheel positions, and it takes that into account and it deforms the mesh so it simulates the track suspension, and we have that for all of our wheels. And yeah, so basically we can make it look like the well, we are making the track, the tank go over like rocks and stuff, so that emulates real life physics where the tank will go over obstacles and the tracks will deform. And yeah, so that's pretty awesome. And I'm gonna fix this, of course, but that means that we can making newer tanks will be pretty easy because the process will be more refined, and then we can move on to coding, which I think Tom, one of my members, has started on, and he's just making that. Sorry, team members has started on, and he's just making the he's working on vehicle movement, but he hasn't really started on tanks. He's doing cars first because while he's experienced at FPS games, at programming FPS games, he's not very he doesn't have much under his belt when we're talking about vehicle-based games, which is like this tank game, because of course the movement is different, and the turret does not follow, the camera does not follow the main body, it follows the turret, and other factors that we need to consider. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. Thanks. Bye.